Hey everybody and welcome back to Code Forger. This is the new game I'm making right now. It's not entirely finished, but I can show you how it works so far. You press A to start the game. If you hold space, or just press space, you'll swing your sword. You can also use V to jump. You can hold B to use your shield, which blocks all attacks. Let's see. Took no damage. You walk up to them, you take damage. Ouch. That hurt. Anyway, you can walk over here, take this rupee right here. Right now, the rupees mean nothing because I haven't made the shop yet. But if you're watching this video in like 2027 or something, the game will probably have a shop in more of the game. Anyway, if you go over this area, there's a chest. Press G to use the chest. Just give me 20 rupees, which is pretty good. Yeah. You can walk over here. Ouchies. Walk over here. Go over here. Smack this guy. This is the Gerudo Desert. Okay. So yeah, the Gerudo Desert is a work in progress right now, so... Also, Link isn't fully coded, so if you notice, like, I'll walk past while hitting him. Yeah, there's some weird costumes there, but that's just because I haven't finished coding the game yet. The game's kind of still in its alpha, beta, mixed stage. You can go over here. There's Hyrule Castle. There's a Master Sword. You can smack this guy. But you don't have 10 hearts yet, so you can't pull the Master Sword. Anyway, you can also press Q to open the map, press Q to close it, press I to open the map, press I to open your inventory, press I to close your inventory. There's also a save system, so you can press A, it'll give you a save code. You can copy that save code. Then you can close the game. Press A to start. Then if you press L and paste your save code, it takes you to exactly where you were. So yeah, there's a save system. Yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, if you want more of this, subscribe. Yeah, I said that weird. This is unscripted, so sorry if it sounds weird, but whatever. Anyway, yeah. So now that you've seen my game, there's a link in the description if you want to play the game. It is shared, it isn't finished though, so yeah.